Smart leak detector is a device used to detect gas leaks. It is mainly used to detect whether there is gas leakage in water heater products to ensure product safety and quality. The device can monitor the change of gas concentration in real time and issue an alarm in time when a leak is found, helping to quickly solve the problem. As an important tool in water heater production, Smart Leak Detector provides reliable gas leakage detection guarantee for products, ensuring that every water heater can operate safely